All right, so I know this guy, he's an absolute beast. And him and his wife run a coaching program. He was doing about $100,000 a week selling a $1,500 course. And he said that he was stuck at 100K weeks, and then he couldn't scale any higher than that. I know it might sound crazy that he's stuck at $100,000 weeks, but listen, there's levels to this, okay? If you don't already know who I am, I'm Joseph Henry. I've been featured on Yahoo Finance, MarketWatch, Investors Observer, Morningstar for building a multiple six-figure business that was a staffing agency, and I've made multiple seven figures across different businesses. I'm currently partnered directly with Whop, and in the last 6 months alone, I've brought on $17 million in processing volume to their platform by helping business owners like yourself simplify their tools and help them run their business. I'm going to talk about this one feature that's helping business owners literally double or even triple their sales overnight, and I'll show you exactly how to implement it right now. So let me get straight to the point. When you're selling courses or programs for $1,000 or more, biggest thing that kills sales is simple. People just simply can't afford it, or they don't want to pay all that money up at once. So this guy, we'll call him Bill. He was stuck at making $100,000 a week. Not bad, right? But he kept hearing the same thing from potential customers. I can't afford to pay $1,500 right now. So this is where Whop's new financing option, SplitIt, comes into play, and is completely different from other payment options. It has literally 100% approval rates, which is insane. It works with purchases up to $66,000, and it doesn't check credit scores at all. Even people with literally terrible credit, 300 credit score, can get approved. And it works literally worldwide, not just in the United States. And the reason that this is crazy is because all these other financing options like Klarna, Affirm, ZipPay, Coach financing, all of these financing options only work in the United States, and they pretty much all exclusively check credit scores. And beyond that, they also have incredibly high interest rates, which this one doesn't. It charges literally 0 interest. How it works is it pre-authorizes the customer's credit card, kind of similar to how you'd pre-authorize your card if you checked into a hotel. They're doing that to make sure that you have access to the money. Once they make sure that you have access to the money, then you can choose to split it up over 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months with literally 0 interest. Crazy thing is that you as the seller get all of the money up front. So when this guy switched his course over to Whop and he started using Whop for payments, and we turned on SplitIt for him, he went from making $100,000 a week to making over $421,000 in just 72 hours. Instead of advertising his course as $1,500 up front, he started saying, get started with just $125 a month with 0 interest. And this completely changed how people saw his offer. And his customers were able to start the program without having to pay the whole thing up front. So this guy was using webinars to sell his course, which is a pretty cool method. I personally done them myself. And with webinars, you can make a ton of money in just a day or two without really needing salespeople. You just get people onto a Zoom call, you teach them some valuable stuff for free, you build trust, tell them your story, and then you pitch your course at the end. And when you combine this with SplitIt, the results are insane. And this isn't just a one-time thing. We've seen sales coaches do over $3 million a day using SplitIt. And several people who had never even broken $100,000 in a day were suddenly hitting over $400,000 easily. This wasn't just a one-time thing. We've seen a sales coach do over $3 million in a single day using SplitIt, and several people on Whop who'd never done even $100,000 in a week were suddenly having $100,000 days. This financing option is unlocking crazy potential for people right now. And if you think about it, people are pretty much using financing for everything. People are literally using financing for Uber Eats. So people might as well use it for something that helps them get ahead, right? So if you guys want to try this for yourself, it's super simple. Number 1, move your product to Whop. It takes literally less than an hour. This could be your courses, this could be your chats, your community, and we can actually do the migration for you. Book a call down below if you want us to do that for you. Number 2, if you're below $50,000 a month in revenue, when you set up your account, just click on checkout links, create a checkout link, and then apply for financing. This will allow you to get SplitIt. If you're doing above $50,000 a month, then book a call down below. There's a few additional steps and I'll help you with that. Number 3, change your marketing to highlight your new monthly payments instead of mentioning just the full price. So say for instance, your package is typically $1,200. Tell people that your package is only $100 a month for 12 months. Number 4, watch your sales go absolutely nuts. This is what's pushing real results for business owners all across the board. If you want, I've created a free program called the Affiliate Advantage Club that walks you through exactly how I get very big deals to come onto Whop and how you can refer people to Whop so that you can make passive income on a monthly basis, lifetime, for any account that you bring on. Check the description down below, click the link, join them for free. If you like the video, definitely like and comment down below with the word financing if you're going to use this. Subscribe if you want to see more videos like this. I'll see you in the next video.